Su Yiming is a Chinese snowboarder and former child actor. He was born on February 18, 2004 in Jilin City, China. In Beijing 2022, Su Yiming becomes the first Chinese snowboarder to win gold at the Olympic Winter Games. Su is recognized as the first snowboarder to successfully complete and land the 1980-degree aerial spin. By winning the 2021-22 FIA Snowboard World Cup Big Air event at Steamboat Ski Resort on December 4, 2021, he became the first Chinese snowboarder to take a World Cup podium position. He is silver medalist in slopestyle at Beijing 2022, second youngest medalist in the event and the first Chinese male snowboarder to win a medal at an Olympic Winter Games. Made his Junior World Championships debut in 2019 with a best finish of 23rd in Big Air. He is the first Chinese snowboarder to ever land on World Cup podium in either Big Air or slopestyle at USA. It was just his third World Cup start. On 28 October 2021, he landed a backside 1980 during a snowboard training camp in Saas-Fee, Switzerland. He becoming the first Chinese snowboarder to win a Big Air World Cup event. He wins the men's snowboard Big Air to become the youngest gold medalist representing China in the history of the Olympic Winter Games.